Next up, we have right here the Sprocket Studio Plus. I have the Sprocket, and we unboxed the Sprocket a while ago. And Sprocket's like this size, and it prints out 3x2 photos. Well, this one prints out 4x6 photos. This is the HP Sprocket Studio Plus. Prints 4x6 images, filters, frames, and stickers. You can connect to social accounts to print out those pictures as well. Wi-Fi capable, app control. Like I said, this is perfect for something where if you've got a wedding, if you've got a graduation, you can have these printed out. You can have your friends over. They'll take a picture and say, everybody wants a copy of that. You can print them all out. So let's go ahead and get this opened. Let's bring this up and open it up. There we go. Join the Sprocket community. That's pretty cool. We've got a power cord. We have got the power plug wart, whatever you want to call it. And I think that's that over there. And then, oh, this is a box right here. Let's go ahead and bring this up and open this up. I'm guessing we've got some sort of cables in here. Oh, it looks like ink, paper, maybe. This is some sort of film roller thing. We got all the instructions on how to use it and the Sprocket Studio Plus here. Next up is the printer itself. There we go. And I don't think we have anything else in this box. It does not look like that. Before we do that, comes with a box of paper. Open that up, and we'll have, let's see what we got. Okay, we've got, this is the paper. So we have this and the paper, or the print paper, and then we have two more of these cartridges that we're going to be putting into the printer as well. So we're going to use this cartridge with this printer. Let's go ahead and set this to the side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the printer itself. Here on the front door, this is where all the prints will end up. On the side, we have a little door, so let's open that up. This is where we're going to put this guy into. Boom, like that. Here we have where we're going to plug in the power, and I don't know if this is going to play into anything, but we have a little slot back here. And it looks like we have a little speaker over here. Nothing on this side. Ah, okay. Nothing on this side, and then of course all the regulatory information on the bottom. So I think I just answered my question here. On the front here, we lift this down, we have the power button right there. The return tray, or the print tray and then the return tray, okay. So it looks like it sets in like this. There we go. Clicks in like that. Perfect. So we're going to put our paper into the tray there. So let's pop that back out. There's HP logos on the back of here. That is what's going to go. That's going to be facing down. There's a little perforation right here. So, and I think, oh yeah, there's a perforation on both sides. So I don't think it matters which side it goes in, as long as the glossy side stays up and those HP logos stay down. Or this, oh, this comes up. Okay, there we go. That comes up. We put our paper in, close that down, put it into the paper tray door. We will then plug this in and turn it on. This is the Sprocket app right here. And of course it's saying Explore Sprocket, My Sprocket. We're going to set up a printer, so we're going to hit that. And then we're going to say the Sprocket Studio Plus. So we'll click on that. And we just powered it on. We loaded the paper, we did that. Install the ink cartridge, we didn't do that. So now we're going to take, this is an actual ink cartridge. And it looks like we've got a flashing red light. I think that's because of the fact that it doesn't see the ink cartridge. So we're going to bring that in. There we go. And that red light stopped flashing. We'll close that door. Okay, we installed the ink cartridge. So let's go ahead and hit next. Check behind the printer. Make sure the power cord, power bank, and other items don't block the back of the printer. Allow at least 5 inches. Right now it is. And that must be for that little slot in the back. Here, I'll show you. Right here there's a little slot like we showed you before. And I have a feeling paper is going to come out and then go back in that way. That's why they're telling you not to block that. Hit next. Is your Bluetooth turned on? This is a Wi-Fi printer. So on the next screen, we'll hit next. And it says ready for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. Hit next. It says available printers. You can't see that. And right there, it does say HP Sprocket Studio Plus. So we'll hit that. And it'll say it'll find connected to the network. So let's do that. There we go. Setup's complete. Connection successful. Yay! So now I can take any of my photos here and we can print it out. We went kayaking, and so I have, let's see, this one. Got this nice little seagull on a buoy, the swim buoy. So let's see how this prints out. So what we're going to do is we're going to say one copy, and we're just going to hit the print button. It's sending it to the printer. What it's going to do is that a piece of paper is going to slide out to the other side. Yep. Now the paper goes over to that side. I'm surprised they didn't put like a little tray in there, over there. Now it's printing over here. Oh, it's going to print again. Okay, so it's doing yellow. And I'm guessing this is going to be blue or red. That was red. So it did yellow and then it did red. All right, now it's looking more like a print. It's doing one more. Maybe blacks. There we go. My little seagull picture right there. That's pretty cool. I just took this, like I said, a couple days ago when we went kayaking. So very impressed with that.